Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. After starting the OOPS concepts, that is object oriented programming concepts, we are done with our classes and objects, with our init parameter, self parameter and inheritance, and also types of inheritance. And getting into the next concept, we are going to learn about polymorphism, which is a very important concept, that is a OOPS concept in Python. So let us let us know what is polymorphism. It's a very hard word, right? Let us split it and understand it. Okay. Splitting the word poly means, which has come from the ancient Greek language, which means many, and the word morph has come from the origin word metamorphosis, which means transforming a single thing into different forms. So morph here means different forms. So totally the word polymorphism means that many different forms of a single thing. Okay, don't worry about its implementation in Python right now. We shall get into it deeply later in our videos. Okay, so we also have 4 different types of polymorphism in Python. They are method overloading, method overriding, operator overloading and duck typing. Do not worry about the words if you are new to programming, and you may not be doing even duck typing if you are aware of programming also. So let us get into each concept clearly in our next videos. So that's all for today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe my channel for more Python videos and share it with your Python buddies. And if you have any doubts regarding my previous videos or regarding this video, please reach me out at the comment section. I'm always available. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.